as a kid, there were a lot of foods I ate. And as an adult, I just stopped eating them. Stopped. I said, wait a minute, let me go back to eating some of those foods. Now, my ethnic background or cultural background is different from maybe many of my listeners, but everybody has some type of cultural background, right? You've got culture, it's just what it is. And so there are probably foods you ate as a kid, and those foods gave you your energy, gave you your flexibility, gave you your beautiful skin, and gave you what many people interpret as youth. So in my case, what I did was I took a look and said, what foods did I stop eating as an adult? What foods just went away? I don't know how it happened, but they're just not there anymore. And I stopped and I thought, and I said, oh my God, Jell-O. I stopped eating Jell-O. And, you know, whatever you want to say about Jell-O, it contains gelatin. The name comes from, which helps the joints. Also, I ate pickled pig's feet. Another huge gelatin source. Next, even though we did have Kool-Aid, I would drink my Kool-Aid half strength or quarter strength, never full strength. And so eating the Jell-O, eating the pig's feet, it creates this kind of skin. It creates flexible joints. And drinking your Kool-Aid half strength or quarter strength means the sugar content in it is so low that it doesn't give you the ill effects of the sugar. And what else did I eat as a kid? Smothered liver. Yum, yum, yum. I loved my liver. And what does liver do? Liver fortifies your adrenal glands and just gets your whole body filled with excitement, optimism, and energy to carry through and do whatever. You can look at a hill and say, oh, I'm going to run up that hill. And just, boom, before you know it, you're at the top of the hill. And I can tell you, nowadays, when I go for walking, so I have a route that I walk. And in order to get to the center of town, it's about half an hour. And I have to go up one big hill and then one smaller hill. And usually, when I'm walking, I would walk, and about 2/3 of the way up the big hill, I'll think, let me keep going. I know I can make it. I'm going to get to the top of this hill. As soon as I get to the top of this hill, I can go down, and then all I have is one little more hill, and I know I can make it. So I'm already giving myself this pep talk. All right, so now, since I've made the changes that I'm telling you about today, I am literally at the top of the hill, already on the way down, before I even think about that first big hill. And then I see a little hill, and I'm like, oh, I've already finished the big hill without even knowing it. I'm going to savor the little hill and pay attention as I walk up the little hill and enjoy it. So it's a whole new experience. Why? Because I went back and started eating my childhood foods. Now, what else did I eat from childhood that just went away when I grew up? I mean, gone. Well, I always got the ham bone. Yes, the ham bone. So I had a family of 2 good-sized adults, no skinny minis there, and 6 of us children. And so when you buy a ham, no matter what size ham you buy for that, number of people, by the second day, it's going to be pretty much gone.